Couldn't resist a quick look at the ship itself at night time. Quiet jacuzzi. Most places are quiet now. I'll do a walk through this ship, why not? This place is pretty busy during the day. Just had a late buffet over there, for those who still had room. There's still tea and coffee making facilities there if you need it. We had our last cup of tea before going to bed. What do you think?
Yes, sir.
Always sterilising the hands when you're on ships, on cruise ships anyway, to avoid the dreaded norovirus being spread around, which can devastate the cruise for a lot of people. And this is a time when the crew managed to catch up. Lots of cleaning going on all of the time. Good night. Good night. And how far do I go? I actually love the ship at this time of night when it's so quiet. Card room. Lots of shopping. I still haven't worked out how this thing works. How does it do that? I don't know. the main reception area, information desk and tools desk. One floor down, one deck down. Maintenance and cleaning going on. Pretty constant on a ship like this. My deck is the next one down. Very glittery ship, lots of mirrors and glossy metal. For 7, it's odd numbers to one side, even numbered cabins to the other side. 6046. I'm going to the left. I think just to make it more interesting, I'll go along the main thoroughfare. This is a bit we were looking down on before. Very, very plush. Evening. Thank you very much. Good night. And lots of artwork along here as well. Artists I've never heard of. Like Benjamin Bergman. Don't know. Can do his foreshortening okay though, can he? And Charles Adams, who's got interesting artwork. Finn Hald. Okay. Dining room straight ahead. Balmoral restaurant straight ahead, which is really handy for my cabin because I'm just down here. That's me. Pretty good. It's an inside cabin, so I don't have a window. It's a single cabin and it's got all you really need here for coffee, teas, milks, sugars, all there. Bottle of water if you want to buy an extra bottle of water, and spare sockets. Nice mirrors, you can look at yourself. Great TV screen, I'm quite pleased with that. A little bit of artwork on the wall. I'd quite like to pretend window, that would have been pretty neat. And yeah, very decent bed. And loads of room to hang your clothes and so on in there, so plenty of room. Bathroom. Again, pretty good. Very tidy. And a reasonable shower as well. No complaints with that at all. If you want to wash the odd thing to hang up, there's a retractable towel rail there, so you can do a little bit of washing if you need to or you want to. There you go. Okay. I think I need to get rid of a few pillows and get red. And they even give you a little sweetie in case you want to rot your teeth for the night. And tomorrow's Times, Daily Times, what's on. And a handy tear strip, you can take that with you when you go ashore to Ghent in this case. If you don't go ashore, there are various things on to keep you occupied, so nobody needs to be bored, even if you have to stay on board. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's it from me. Good night. I'll show you Ghent tomorrow.